And there you go. Hi everybody, welcome back to Mel's Party Creations. I am creating a beach themed baby shower this weekend, so I am going to make a bouquet of diapers. Now this was particularly requested by the parents to be, and this is the vase that they chosen. I went and got some play sand to stick into the vase. So this is already ready for you to view and see. I also have 12 diapers on sticks ready to go. Let me show really quick. I take the diaper. I use size 1 diapers. They work best for these. Stick your stick, roll up, and all ready to go. Alright, so like I said, I have 12 of these already ready. And what I'm going to do is, they don't want much decoration onto the diapers per their request, so we're not really decorating around, but we are going to decorate everything else. Okay, to create this specific bouquet, you will need a vase, you will need your play sand, 12 diapers on sticks. I'm going to be using some ribbons, and I'm going to be putting it around this part of the vase, not the base, the top part of the vase, and I'm going to hot glue it onto here. So let's get that going. Our hot glue gun. Okay, so we are going to hot glue this ribbon here. Just a little bit to get it started. A little bit on your side and bring that piece around. Once you have your ribbon all the way to the back, put some hot glue on the outside of the ribbon and tie the back piece in together. I'm going to kind of hold it for a second so it stays in place and dries correctly, so your ribbon's not falling apart and all over the place. If you have to add a little bit of extra glue, I'm going to put some on not just the middle of the ribbon, but on the top and the bottom as well. It'll give it a better hold. Okay, I'm going to take my diapers and start putting them into place. You want it just right below the rim. Now you can see that a little better. Sorry guys, wanted to adjust. I want to make sure you guys can see what's going on in here. Okay, so now I have all of my diapers in my bouquet. Now I'm going to add a couple of flowers just for a little bit more decoration and color into it, since they're not putting anything particularly over the diapers. And then I have a little heart I'm going to add into this as well. Okay, so I'm going to bring these up just a little bit, push these down so you can kind of see the flowers in the back. Okay, and then I have some little teddy bear sticks. I have some rattles, and then I have some pacifiers. I'm going to use these and kind of stick them in the center of the diapers to give some more look into this beautiful creation. If you have to take the diapers out to adjust them, it's better to take them out so you don't ruin the look of the diaper. You don't want them unfolding or coming out with no look. Kind of, let me see. Try to open them up a little bit. Fix that. There you go. All right. I have some safety pins too, some baby safety pins. It's all coming together. Any more up there? No? Alright, so there you see the flower. I think we're gonna move this guy back a little bit and stick our flower kind of here so you can see it. And then we can also move the heart up to the front. And there you go. A little bit more design into it. I'm gonna turn this my way for 1 second because I have a It's a Girl pin. So I'm going to add this to the front of the diaper vase as well. All right. Let me turn this around. And there you go. This makes the perfect baby shower gift. It can be used on the center of the table for centerpieces. It can be used on the gift table. Gives it a nice design, nice look, and this is how you make your bouquet. Make sure to like this video, drop your comments below, and if you have any requests to any specific diaper cakes or ribbons or anything you'd like to see made, leave us your comment and we will most definitely do try our hardest to create as quickly as possible. You can also follow us on our Instagram. There's various of items on our Instagram page, and all items are made to order. So if you want to order anything, feel free to shoot us a message. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day.